Hey there, my friends! Today, we're making a sparkly shooting star blade. We'll need 3 sheets of origami paper. Let's start with the frame. Fold it in half side to side. And then top to bottom. Now fold it corner to corner both ways and open it back up. Fold the edges into the center like this. Do you see the diamond shape? Now fold the edges in again. Then open it up. Fold along the center line once more, just like this. Now watch this part, put your finger in and press it open. Nice! Do that on both sides to make a roof shape. Let's do the same on the other side. Finger in, press, flatten, and again, finger in. Press up. Finger in, press, flatten. We get a little square pocket. Repeat that 3 more times. Next, fold these little flaps outward like this. The inside corners too. Our frame is finished. Let's set it aside. Now, let's make the core. Fold top to bottom and side to side. Corner to corner both ways again. Now fold each edge into the center to make a diamond. Flip it over and fold in again. And flip one more time and fold to the center. And there's our core. Now gently slide the core into the frame, this side facing up. Take your time and tuck it in just right. Open the flaps on the frame and fold them over the core. Tuck each square flap behind the edges. Keep going around, we are almost there. Looks a little spiky now, doesn't it? Hold the center and gently pull the core outward to shape it. Our blade is almost done. Let's fold the grip. You can use regular paper or sparkly paper like me. Fold it top to bottom, side to side. And corner to corner. Now fold the edge in just a tiny bit away, like 3 millimeters from the center. Again, leave a little space and fold in. One more time, fold in with a little gap. Flip it over. Pinch the center so it points up, fold and hold it tight. There's our grip. Now bring back the blade. Carefully tuck the grip into each corner. It's a bit thick, so be gentle and take your time while you're tucking it in. And wow, it spins so nicely. Great job folding with me today. Oh, and if you liked folding with us, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. See you next time!